What's going on, guys? My name is Friday Finance. I'm a licensed financial advisor. I hold a Series 7, Series 66, Securities Industries Essentials, and my life and health insurance license. In this video, I will be going over 3 reasons why you should never use a debit card. And I hold about 14 credit cards with a 784 credit score. So I think it's safe to say I'm qualified to talk about this topic. And a lot of people have many negative stereotypes towards credit cards because of how they were brought up or how they view money as a whole. But the first reason why you should never use a debit card is because they don't help you build credit. Having a solid credit score is so important in the modern era because it allows you to get more access to more money, which means you can get better loans with a better credit score. So if you ever want to buy that dream home, you ever want to buy that dream car, and don't have a couple hundred thousand laying around, then you're going to need a good credit score to get a good loan. See, when you have a good credit score, financial institutions are much more likely and confident to give you a loan because based off having that good credit score, creditors see that you are a trustworthy person to pay back your debts. A credit card is just a mini month-long debt card that allows you to hype yourself up to credit bureaus and then get many more perks from it, which I will dive into later in this video. But keep in mind that it takes at least a few years to build a solid credit score from nothing. And if you don't start today, well then your process of building that solid credit score is just going to be delayed. And the second reason why you should never use a debit card is because it doesn't offer nearly as much fraud protection as a credit card does. When you're using a debit card, you're essentially using cash because whenever you swipe the card, money gets taken directly out of your bank account. But when you use the credit card, nothing comes out of your bank until you pay off the statement balance, usually a month later. But when somebody steals your debit card, they have potential access to all of the money in your checking account. And to get the money back once it's stolen from your debit card is a much longer process than what would happen if you're using a credit card. Whenever there's a fraudulent charge on your credit card, all it takes to get that removed and off of your liability is a simple call to that credit card company and an explanation of what happened. Credit card companies have so many layers of insurance because they know that they're putting their liability at extreme risk by giving hundreds and thousands of people access to their funds, which is the credit card usage. So whenever you're reporting a fraudulent charge on your debit card, you have to directly call your bank, you have to deal with customer service agents, and you have to ensure that the money gets put back into your bank, which is a much more lengthy process than when the credit card company just deducts the charge from your credit statement. And it's able to be done much more easily with a credit card to report fraud because these credit card companies are big companies. It's big business. So they're going to put so many systems in place to cover their butt, which in turn protects you because you're using their money. And if you have no idea where to start with credit, don't worry. I will be putting out workshops and courses teaching all the things I know about financial literacy so that you can make financial decisions with confidence. Oh, and if you're learning a few things about why credit sucks, please throw me a like and please throw me a subscribe. I would appreciate it. And the third reason why you should never use a debit card is because debit cards do not offer cashback rewards or perks. Credit cards offer cashback rewards and different perks based on the type of credit card you have. Some are better rewards for travel, some are better rewards for dining, some are better rewards for gas. But the point is, why would you not spend money and earn rewards at the same time? Well, that's exactly what happens every time you swipe the debit card. It's the equivalent of paying with cash. See, if you had a credit card that offered 2% cash back on all purchases, which some do, then on a year of spending $100,000, you would earn $2,000 back. But if you used the debit card to spend $100,000, you wouldn't earn that $2,000 back. So if that's the case, why would you be using a debit card? Start earning rewards. Aside from the cash back, certain credit cards offer unbelievable travel perks, hotel perks, even service perks. For instance, with my American Express Platinum, I have access to their concierge service, so I can book a reservation at almost any restaurant. I can get flights changed on a whim. I can get hotel rooms upgraded. I am literally a superstar just because I pay the $6.95 fee a year to own the American Express Platinum. Here's a link to my buddy's John Finance Tips channel. He talks a lot on his YouTube about credit. He actually has been able to get a free first class flight, and he goes into detail about strategic ways you can use credit, and check out his channel. So I hope this video gave you guys some good reasons to stop using the debit card and to sign up for a credit card. So if this video helped you or gave you some sort of motivation, please throw me a like, please throw me a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.